Hello friends, today I will be taking you through one stock which I feel is ready for a big move going forward. Let me tell you how I found this stock. On Charting, I have created some scanners and one of my scanners has given me these three stocks. After analysis of these three stocks, I came up with some of these. So for example, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange is a stock that I'm going to talk about today. Let us see why I feel there is a big potential for this stock to go up. To begin with, the settings I have here are all data. So data available ever since the stock was listed, July 2017. The candles are monthly, which means each candle represents a month. We are now very close to the end of November. So it will be useful to look at how this candle closes. Candlestick chart, like I said, and tools we are using on this is largely going to be this moving averages. Moving averages are 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day. Whenever you see these moving averages fanning out with 20-day below 50-day, 50-day below 100, 100 below 200, the price typically falls big time, like you see here. 20-day went below 50, 50 went below 100, 100 went below 200. Look at how the price fell from about 1100 rupees all the way to 300 rupees. Now the reverse is happening. 20-day has already crossed over 50-day, 100-day, 200-day. 50-day is also about to cross 100-day, and 100 will eventually cross 200. So when this crossover happens and it starts to fan out on the upward direction, there could be a possibility of a big long-term move in the positive direction. If you look at another indicator I'm using, it is RSI. RSI is showing good momentum. It has crossed over 70 for a long period of time. It is holding that. It is actually going above 70 now. It's 81 as of now. And one more good indicator of whether the momentum is building is the ADX. If you look at the ADX, the blue line here, it is moving upwards. It has already crossed 41. Anything about 20 shows strong momentum building up. It has already crossed 40. And another thing is, if you look at the DI versus positive versus minus DI, the positive DI has crossed over the negative DI, which shows there is a reason for the stock to go up. The momentum to go upwards has actually been building up. Now, if we look at the weekly charts for the same stock, and we bring down the data, because if we keep it all data, then it will be very difficult to see. So if I bring it down to say 6 months and update the chart, very clearly shows an upward trend, previous high is taken out, and if it closes positive like this, there is a good chance that the stock may go up big time, because it has been consolidating for a long time here between 1490 and 1012. So it could be a possible trigger for an upward movement. That's the second reason on the weekly chart. Now let us look at the daily chart. Daily chart, let us look at 6 months. Again, you have seen that whenever it comes to 20-day, it jumps up. Again, 20-day, it jumps up. Every time it has been jumping. And now it has been consolidating in this channel. If it breaks this channel, if you look at this channel, so it's been taking support here, and it has been taking resistance over here. So if I pull this line somewhere here, so there is a potential for the stock to go all the way here, high up, which will be around 1700. It is currently 1603. So about 100-point movement from here is definitely something that we can plan for. It has broken the previous top. If you look at the previous top here, this was the previous top. It broke the top, came down a little bit, took support here from this high, and then started going up. So this candle also, after the indecision candle here, it is showing an upward momentum. So We can definitely look at a target of around 1700. So I would like to say that we need to definitely watch this stock. As for me, I am going to buy this stock on Monday if it opens above the high of this candle. So if you look at the high of this candle, and if it opens above this high, it means that the upward momentum is good. The volume is also good. So it will be a good idea to buy this stock. Again, just as a disclaimer, I am just sharing my trades for a learning purpose. I am not a qualified investment advisor, nor do I plan to give advice on investments. I'm only sharing my trades for learning purpose. If anyone wants to take a trade based on this, I don't take any responsibility for any losses you make, nor do I take any credit for any profits you make. So take advice from a trusted investment advisor, a qualified investment advisor, and or you do your own analysis, and only on the basis of that you may want to take the trades. One last thing I wanted to share is if you connect the tops here, you will see that this was a resistance, this was an upward triangle, this line and this line was an upward sloping wedge kind of a setup. It broke the wedge, came down, took support exactly at the wedge, and went up. So this gives me additional confidence to buy this stock. If you have any comments or any observations about this, please mention those in the comments below this video on YouTube. And if you would like to get more such videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.